Okay guys, hotel review time. This hotel is called Canary Guesthouse and it's located next to the Pai River in Pai in northern Thailand. Now I will say right off the start, the best part of this hotel is its location. Considered only 2 stars on Agoda, but it's got an 8.9 out of 10 rating, which I think is way over the top for what it should be in my opinion. And that's based on 1,600 reviews. A lot of people have reviewed this place and they really liked it. I'm not exactly sure what I paid here. It was around 900 baht for the night, I believe, and there's no breakfast here. There's the Pai River. It's nothing spectacular, but it's all right. Getting back to the location, right across the river is right across that bridge right there. You're 5 minutes away from Walking Street, and from there is all the bars, the nightlife, the restaurants. Amazing amount of food in this little town, that's for sure. Here's inside the room. No mini bar here, but it did come with 3 bottles of water, which was nice. Unfortunately, the fridge wasn't plugged in and it took hours for it to get cold. Yes, that is concrete around the bed. The bed was okay, nothing wrong with it. Plenty comfortable. Here's the bathroom. Quite big actually. Everything in here worked as it should. Nice and clean. Really nice hot water shower. That's not always the case in these cheaper hotels, that's for sure. And here's where the hot water comes from. This is hot water on demand. They're normally not hidden away like this, but that's what makes the hot water. And it was quite cold when I was there, 8 or 9 degrees in the morning, and still plenty of hot water, which was nice. Here's the front of the place. It looks all right actually. As for the room, I'd say it's only okay, but the location is really nice. There were a lot of people sitting out here in the evening. It's quite a relaxing place, really quiet, you know. Just 5 minutes from Walking Street, but far enough away that you don't have to listen to it. Here's where you can eat your breakfast. What they told me I should do is order my breakfast online, have it delivered, and eat it here. I didn't do that. I went to a noodle soup place next to the gas station, right in the middle of town. Absolutely delicious. Check-in is right here. Check-in was easy, as it should be. And getting to the $1 million question, would I stay in this hotel again? Yes, definitely I'd stay here, but not because the hotel was so good. It was only okay. I'd stay here for the location. All you gotta do is walk across that bridge and you're minutes away from the action, but you're far enough away from it that you don't have to listen to it. This is a nice bouncy bridge, and that little girl was having a blast. Alright guys, that's my review based on when I was here, which was in February of 2024. Like I say, I can't remember the price I paid. I think it was around 900 baht for the night, and that didn't include breakfast. I'll leave the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check it out on your dates. There's a lot of nice hotels in this town, spread around, that's for sure, and you can check them all out there. As always guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. The mighty Pai River. It was kinda low when I was there.